Welcome. This video I'll show you how to fix your Riot Client if it's not opening or launching. Alright, so first up, go ahead and close Riot Client right here. Make sure that it is not running on your taskbar or in the background. Just right click on it and hit on exit. Now once that's done, go ahead over to your search bar and type down CMD. Now click on run as administrator. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and type down ipconfig // flush DNS. Hit on enter. Again, ipconfig // release. Now type in ipconfig // renew. Hit on enter. There you go. And once that's done, go ahead and type down netsh winsock reset. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead and type in netsh int ip reset. Hit on enter. Wait for the process to finish. Type down exit. The command prompt will close, restart your computer, and after that you should be good to go. Now if that still will work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down control panel. Click on control panel right here. Now go to the top right, make sure that you're under large icons. Now go ahead and click on network and sharing center. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on change adapter settings right here at the top left. Now go ahead and double click on the network that you're currently using. For example, I have here my Ethernet. Double click. Now click on properties. In here, go find Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Click on it and click on properties. Now copy my settings. Okay. Obtain an IP address automatically. Check. Now use the following DNS server addresses. Check. Now copy 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. And once that's done, just click on OK. Now don't close everything right here yet. Try to launch a Riot Client and check if it helps. Okay. Now if it works or if it helps and your game is maybe a bit laggy, all right, you can go ahead and change this one to 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. All right, and once that's done, hit on OK. Close, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.